So it's a new day back at Nora's house. Still have the E90. Today we're gonna go ahead and color sand it as much as we can. I need to meet with my Geico adjuster later. We're gonna color sand for now. I have my polisher and stuff here, but I don't think we have enough time to get through the whole car with a few different grits, but we'll see how it goes.
Oh yeah, so on the way to the shop, I think I'm gonna buy a car.
This guy.
There's this guy selling a 128 with red interior.
Oh no.
Dude, I have to.
Dude, these are 1 series.
40,
yeah.
Dude, nobody does videos on those cars.
Yeah, for a reason.
Nah, they're good looking cars. You're
Nah.
I put a wide body on that thing, we are set, dude.
It looks like a little toy. So what's the hardest part, right?
Sanding?
Everyone thinks painting is the hard part, but dude.
Yeah, sanding
color
is a pain
sanding.
in the booty.
Like it's death.
You can show
It's
it.
comparable. So we're gonna have to respray a few spots, but
Like honestly, if I go over this 800 again, it'd probably look really good. But
yeah.
there's a lot of like little dots and stuff, so we're gonna have to go over this again. But I think we can do it. It's gonna take like a full dedicated day.
it's gonna take hours with a few of us working on it. So that's gonna be for another day because we gotta go do this insurance stuff for my car, and we're gonna get the couch in here. So we're getting some new furniture. Yeah, we're not good at math, so we just kind of sent it right. Now it's stuck. So is your dad gonna be pissed or? I think I kind of like it. It flows with the room. Like,
Honest to God, if there's another door, I'd leave it there. Oh man.
hey, I've been knocking for like the past 20 minutes. No one's opening this door.
Open the damn door, John. You shop is shit. Little crack right here.
Bro, I don't. How the hell am I supposed to even get to this?
Not that on the bottom.
Hey, you got some change.
It's so hard to walk it like this. Let's get like which way?
That way? You don't want to go a long way? Oh.
Oh dang.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Nah.
Perfect. You can still close it.
Nah.
Yeah, no close.
Wait. Did I say close it? What I meant was, what is that, bro?
Let's see if it still works.
That's when I was like 2.
Man, this thing is still.
All right, let's go.
He's like, go take that shoe.
Oh, yep. I'm just gonna ride back here.
Make a window and then put like an arm so you can grab the steering wheel and hit the gas.
Yeah.
It'll work. Might not be the best. Yeah. Got it. We just gotta lift this side up, close it. We just gotta lift this side up, pull it this way, and then close this.
It'll work?
Yeah.
Alright, try.
Alright.
Is it on the window? Is it on the window? I think the wheels
It's
are
pretty
stopping.
close.
It's on the window, yeah.
Told you.
There we go. That was great.
This is what Boy Scouts are for. So you learn to tie a knot.
I went to Girl Scouts.
Oh damn. I guess swing next time. You can be a Girl Scout. It's alright.
Yeah, this shit ain't tight.
It's good.
It's good, right?
It's good.
It's good.
Good to go.
All right. Pretty good, bro. It's good.
Bro, what's going on here?
It's good. It's good.
Show me how to con.
Watch out, there's others. No. Now we're happy.
We don't have electricity yet, so.
You still don't have electricity.
This is kind of scary in here, actually.
How?
I'm kind of scared.
This is like a scary.
Yeah.
The heck? It's like. I'm terrified. Look at these bugs just dead. Oh, dead.
You guys got hella water and a cup of noodles? What the hell?
We're set, man.
Yeah.
And all this Canadian dry. The bottom's like we have to have Canadian dry.
Oh, look at these fucking bugs.
Oh, really? Oh, shit. Well, my bad.
Oh my god.
Yeah, check all that out. We're gonna have to
vacuum all this stuff out. We're getting electricity tomorrow. We still don't have electricity.
It's kind of scary.
Imagine something just jumps out.
First, yeah.
Okay, I think we're good.
I'm recording just in case anyone dies.
Pest control stuff, the air stuff. Oh, this is Jonathan's new cabinets.
This looks like a scary movie.
Oh, our cabinets are here. We brought them.
Oh yeah, we did put them in the van.
And then yeah, we got the vacuum. We got some shaft pries.
There is LEDs.
No, like all.
Oh, like a color one? We're gonna do the color one.
Right
Oh,
here.
we didn't tell you that.
No.
Yeah,
You
we
guys keep on-
yeah, we talked about that. I don't know if Norris did, but me and Jonathan want to do it. Like the whole, like you can get like 32 feet of LED strips for like $15 on
The hell,
eBay.
guys, I feel left out.
We're gonna do
Holy shit.
we're gonna do the whole room and this room too. All LED strips. Where'd you get that TV from, young man?
I went to Walmart
Uh-huh.
and I walked out and I forgot to pay. So.
Oh, so it's free.
Yeah.
It's complimentary.
$3.99.
Every visit at Walmart, you get a free TV. You just walk out, and if they don't say anything, then that means you
keep on
won.
walking.
You won
Don't
the
look
giveaway.
back.
Yeah.
Just keep on walking. Don't look back.
And just ignore the fact that this is a Best Buy brand too. They were had it at Walmart. That's why they gave it away.
Buy brand?
Here we are at 10:21 because we bring another car in and we don't have power, so it's gonna look like we are dropping off in some random chop shop.
Johnson with his 15th car. Oh, this isn't gonna work. Welcome to your very luxury BMW.
It's the BMW life? Wow. What is this life like? Is buying a new car every 5 days because your other BMW is broken.
When you can't afford to fix it, just replace it.
New car. What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
I mean, for the price, you can't beat it. So
Not at all.
It's not happening.
What?
Into the shop.
Why?
There's no way I can get it into the shop. Front end's locked up.
like back up into it and just let it roll in there, or what?
It doesn't roll. That's the thing.
So how you gonna get it off?
It'll come off, but it's not gonna go into the shop.
What happened when you gassed it? Like, did it let you?
Dude, it was like the wheels were stuck, but the rear wheels were pushing it forward. It was really weird. You could probably make it work.
That's just sketcy.
It was super sketchy.
You gotta do what you gotta do. It's so sketchy. Damn, bro. He's like, look at chop chop. Yeah, there's nothing in there. There's no lights. You didn't even ask anything. It's alright, the less I know, the better. Oh. I just need to stop buying cars, though.
Honestly.
He's not helping me. No one's telling me to not buy cars.
Well, it's a
so
$300 car. You can't go wrong.
got me there.